Everything you need to know before buying CMF Pro 2 in less than 2 minutes. If you are wondering if it is value for money, then the short answer is yes. However, if you are wondering if it is high performance and packed with features, then the short answer is no. But stay tuned to find out why it might be a good choice. CMF Smartwatch features a large-size round AMOLED display with excellent brightness and several levels of adjustment, including an auto brightness mode, a feature with many other budget smartwatches lack. CMF Pro 2 smartwatch can track over 100 different exercises and boasts smart tracking capabilities for walking, running, and cycling, automatically detecting the type of exercise. However, auto-tracking can be a bit laggy and may not auto-track 5 to 10 minutes after starting the exercise. CMF Pro 2 also offers 24-hour heart rate monitoring, oxygen levels, stress measurement, and sleep tracking. Crafted from an aluminum alloy case, the smartwatch is lightweight and well-designed. However, the vibration alert for notifications, including calls and messages, is not very good. Even though the manufacturer claims a battery life of 11 days, but it has a battery life of 4 to 6 days on regular use, which is not bad. The connectivity is excellent. It connects seamlessly to your phone, with no reported issues regarding missed notifications or connectivity drops. Similarly, you can also use smartphone app to control the features on this smartwatch. In summary, if you are looking for value for money and entry-level smartwatch, then CMF Pro 2 can be a good choice.